Good evening, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in 60 plus series for CAIIB. 60 plus means 60 plus marks in ABM, BFM, and retail. Mainly ABM and BFL and BFM. So the series comprises all the objectives, numericals, whatever is important for you to cover this 60 plus marks. Okay. So without wasting the time, let's move on. Okay. I would suggest download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you'll be getting all the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts. Means what? Basically, what do you need for CIB? Here, we are in the last stage now, isn't it? Exams are coming. So you need revision, live classes, who can explain you, and tests. So definitely you are having all these three over here, right? Live classes, you'll get it. Tests, you'll get it. We are starting this revision batch also. I'll come to this, say this revision batch we are starting, and it's 80% off going on. Okay, so go for this revision batch also. I'll show you at the end of this. Also subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. You'll be getting all the updates on CIIB, JAIIB and various banking exams on the same. See, this 80% off scheme is going on various batches here. Again, I am telling you, this revision batch is coming up on 21st November. Go for that immediately. Okay, with 80% off. Use this code Y432. Okay, let's start with it. Say this. Today we'll be solving two numericals on this BFM module A for X. Okay, very important ones, because if you understand the concept of this numericals, let this numerical come or any numerical come, you'll be able to solve it. Okay, so your foreign correspondent maintaining a Nostro rupee account with your bank wants to fund his account by purchase of rupees 30 million against USD. Assuming USD INR interbank rate at 48.2550 and 2650, what rate would be quoted to the correspondent ignoring exchange margins? Okay. Calculate the amount of USD you would receive in your account, USD Nostro account, if the deal is struck. Now, looking at this problem, many of you might get confused. So, sir, what is this? This is such a difficult one. I don't understand what is to be done, whether to buy or sell. Sure, it's very simple. I'll show you one by one. Okay, let's first write down the facts of this. What is the fact? Your foreign correspondent means what? See here, you are over here. Let's say I'll take the example of two banks. Okay, one bank is, let's say, Citi. Okay, CITI, Citi. Okay, Citi USA, and second is SBI India, right? So Citi becomes the foreign correspondent of SBI now. Okay, what happens? What is the question given? Citi maintaining a Nostro account with your bank. So Citi is maintaining Nostro with you. Say this. Citi is maintaining Nostro account with SBI. So what does it mean? Say this. For Citi it is Nostro. Understand this concept. For Citi it is Nostro, but for SBI it is Vostro. Always remember, same account from each one different from different angles is different. Okay, when Citi maintains account with SBI, it is Nostro for Citi, but it is Vostro for SBI. Got it, everyone? Now type yes in the comment section if you have understood this. If Citi maintains Nostro account with SBI, it is Nostro for Citi but Vostro for SBI. Okay, got it? Now I'll ask you one question. If SBI maintains account with Citi in USD, understand this. If SBI maintains account with Citi in USD, then that account is called as dash for SBI. Answer fast in the comment section. SBI maintains dollar account with Citi, okay, then that account is called as dash for SBI. For SBI. Okay, type fast, type fast, type fast, type fast. Yes, 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 yes. For SBI I am talking. SBI, not Citi. For SBI. So it is called as, correct. It is called as, everyone type fast. Yeah, right. Yeah, correct. Many of you have answered correctly. It is called as Nostro. Nostro for SBI. When SBI I'll write it so that you don't get confused. Okay, Citi, SBI. Okay, so SBI maintaining account with this dollar account. Okay, dollar account. So that is Nostro for SBI. Okay, now the same account will be called as dash for city. Now write in the comment section, the same account will be called as dash for city. Write in the comment section, fast, fast, fast. What will it be called as? What will it be called as? The same account will be called as dash for city. Fast, fast, fast. Correct. It will be called as Vostro for city. Got it now? It is called as Vostro for city. So remember, the bank who is maintaining the account is calling it Nostro. The bank with whom it is maintained is called as Vostro. Got it? Clear? Okay. Now let's move on. Let's move on. Yeah. What is the problem? This. The city maintaining a Nostro account with SBI wants to fund his account by purchase of rupees 30 million here. Understand this. Purchase of rupees 30 million means what? City wants to purchase rupees 30 million. Now understand. This is purchase rupees 30 million. So rupees, I'll write it over here. Okay. And 30 million. Okay. This is the point. City wants to purchase 30 million. Now, how many of you have gone to the vegetable vendor, sabji wala, in your nearby location, bought that sabji on a daily basis? We buy this. Kanda, mooli, everything, isn't it? Pyaz, everything we buy it, isn't it? So, this business is same as that sabji wala business. How? I'll write it. Say this, sabji wala. Sabji wala, okay? Sabji wala. And let's say you, okay? How does the sabji wala business move on? You give money to that person, rupees, right? Rupees you give, and that guy gives what? Sabji, right? Sabji he gives you, isn't it? So give and take. You give rupees, that guy gives sabji. Same thing is over here. SBI is giving rupees to that person, so city will give them sabji. So here the sabji is dollar, okay? So now what is happening in this business? Who is giving rupees? Rupees is given by SBI. Who is giving dollars? City is giving dollars. Okay. So what is SBI doing? SBI is buying dollars or selling dollars? SBI is buying dollars or selling dollars? Who can give me? SBI is buying dollars here. You are buying sabji, giving rupees. SBI is giving rupees, so it will buy dollars, isn't it? So the point over here is buy dollars. This is what I wanted to explain. Remember, this sabji business is same everywhere in the world. You go for any commodity, you go for dollar, you go for stock market, anywhere it's same. Whenever there is always buy a give and take relationship. Okay, let's move on now. So what is the amount? 30 million done. Okay. Assuming that the USD INR rate is 48.2550 and 2650, what rate would be quoted? So these are the two rates, 48.2550, 2650. Let me write this. Okay, 48.2550 and 2650. So which rate will I quote now? This or this? Which one? Fast, fast, fast. Which one? What do you say? Left or right? Okay, write in the comment section. Should I quote left rate or should I quote right rate? Means 48.2550 or 48.2650. Which rate should I quote for this transaction? Everyone, fast, fast, fast. Yeah, it is. We are buying. Always remember, left side is buy, right side is sell. Okay, whenever you are buying, quote the left side. So 48.2550, this much rate I'll quote now. Okay, I'll remove this sabji concept now, isn't it? Everyone has understood this sabji? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood it. Understood the sabji concept? Okay, same sabji concept will be used in your forex also. Always remember, forex is same as that of the sabji wala business. Okay. Okay, move on. Chalo. So what is the rate I'll be using now? 48.2550. So now what will I do? See here, SBI wants dollars. Whenever, see here, what is the point? City is taking 30 million rupees from SBI. So it will give dollars to SBI. So how much dollars will it give? So it's, how is it taken? 30 multiplied by 48.2550 or 30 divided by 48.2550. Type fast in the comment section, multiply or divide. What should I do? Divide. What should I do? Means 30 million into 48.2550 2550 or divided by, type fast in the comment section, this or this, what should I do? Yes. See here, whenever you have to convert rupees to dollars, you have to always divide, right? Rupees to dollars, always divide. Okay, why do you divide this? Because the rate is always, what is the rate system in India? Dollar to rupees, this is always the rate system in India, isn't it? I want the answer from you guys. 2550. Okay, so what is the answer over here? Give me the answer fast. Yes, type in the comment section. Fast. Yes, correct. What is the answer? 621 697. 697, right? This much dollars. Okay, means SBI will get these much dollars. But is this my final answer? Remember, in any forex transaction when you do, you have to look at 3 points always. Number one, buy or sell. Okay. Number two, forward margins. And number three, exchange margins. I have explained this in my earlier lecture also, same series. Okay, exchange margin. So what is it given regarding the forward margin now? What is the question? See here, the whole transaction is on spot, right? Same time, there is no forward margin, so 2 is out. What is given regarding exchange margin? Exchange margin given is ignoring exchange margin. Say this, ignore exchange margin, it's given, ignore. Okay, so that's why this is also out. So this is my final answer. What is the rate quoted? 48.2550. What is the dollar amount? 621 697. So that is my final answer now. So these are the two answers required in this problem. Understand this concept. 1, 2, 3 should be the sequence followed by you guys. Okay, next one. Mr. BCD wants to remit JPY 100 million by TT value spot as a payment for the import invoice. Given that the USD rates are this 48.25 and 48.26, USD JPY rates are 90.50, 90.60. A margin of 0.15% is to be loaded to the exchange rate. Calculate the rate to be quoted and rupee amount to be debited. Okay, two questions. Rate to be quoted, rupee amount to be debited, right? Okay. Now let's find out what do we want actually. What is the problem in this? What do we want? Okay, type in the comment section. What? Okay, I'll just give you over here. Do we want JPY to USD rate? Type in the comment section this, or do we want JPY to INR, or do we want INR to JPY? What do we want? Everyone type fast in the comment section. Either of these three. What is the answer we require? What is the main goal of this problem? Type fast this or this or this. I want the answer fast in the comment section. Fast. Yes. We want this JPY to INR. This is our final aim, isn't it? So focus on this. How to get JPY to INR? How to get it? Okay? How to get it? How to get JPY to INR? What is this rule called as? You had studied this in JAIIB also, earlier sessions also. So I'll write it over here. JPY to INR equals to, I'll just write it, JPY to dollar into dollar to I'll write this INR. Okay, this is INR. So JPY, I'll write this instead of this, I'll write this rupees. Okay, otherwise you won't understand this, get confused. So instead of this, JPY to INR equals to JPY to dollar into dollar to INR, isn't it? This rule is known as what? Type fast in the comment section. This rule is known as which rule? What is this rule known as? This rule is known as, everyone, it is, yes, chain rule. Chain, right? So now I'll be using this chain rule. So what do I have? JPY to dollar, do I have it? What is it given? USD to INR is having, and what USD to JPY I am having. See this, USD to rupees I am having, and USD to JPY I am having. So what do I have? Write clearly over here, USD to rupees. This is what I am requiring. So 1 point I am having directly. Say this, dollar to rupees I am having it immediately. Okay, but which should I use? Left side or right side? What is the question? wants to remit JPY for import invoice, import transaction. Import means always what? Import means dollar currency is to be import, currency is to be sold, sale, always remember. Import currency is to be sold always, okay? Done. Now I'll use the sale rate. So dollar to rupees, firstly go for this, into I'll write it over here, okay? Dollar to rupees, here I have to get 2 points over here. One is this, second is this, okay? So I'll just write the second point because it's easier. USD to INR I'm having it. So 48.26, isn't it? 48.26. So this much is other side. What is this side? But what do I want? JPY to dollar. But what is it given? US dollar to JPY. See here, it's like this. It's given over here is, I'll write it over here, okay? Dollar to JPY is given, and I want JPY to dollar. This is what I want. So what should I do? I'll do this reverse, isn't it? So JPY to dollar equals to, what will I do? 1 upon dollar to JPY. This is the way we do it. JPY to dollar equals to 1 upon dollar to JPY. So now this rate I am having it, dollar to JPY, isn't it? Where is this? USD to JPY. See this, yeah? So what will I do? 1 upon 90.60, again sale, okay? Because it's again sale only. But after all we have to do sale only. So what is the answer for this? 48.26 upon 90.60, okay? So what is my answer now? 48.26 upon 90.60. So 48.26 upon 90.6, okay? So my answer is 0.53. So 0.53, okay? So what is this now? This is my JPY to rupees, okay? I'll write it over here now, fresh, okay? JPY to rupees equals to 0.53 is to 1. This is what I'm having now, okay? And what is the question now? Wants to remit 100 million by TT value for import, blah blah blah, everything you know it. Now there is a margin involved over here, 0.15% margin. So what do I do with this margin now? Again the 3 rules which I told you in this earlier problem. So it is TT margin. This TT margin, what do I do? 0.15% TT, right? 0.15%. So what will I do with this TT margin? I'll add it or subtract it. It is what? Sale transaction. So for sale we always add margin, okay? Add TT margin. Specifically I am talking TT margin, okay? Not this forward margin. There is no forward margin involved in this case, okay? So I'll add this TT margin, okay? So firstly find its margin. So 0.53 into 0.15 upon 100, okay? So you get this as what? What is the answer for this? 0.53 into 0.15 upon 100, 0.00079. So roughly I'll write it 0.0008. I'll write it. So this is the margin. So what will I do with this margin? I'll add it over here. So my final rate JPY to rupees becomes this 0.53 plus this, okay? So it is 0.53 and add this 0.8, okay? So this is my final rate after the margin, because I'll have to add it. Got it? Now what was the question over here? Yeah, loaded in this. Calculate the rate to be quoted. So JPY to INR rate is 0.53, but always remember JPY to INR is always quoted in terms of 100. So it will be 100 JPY to rupees equals to 53.08. Okay. Now what do I want next? The rupee amount to be debited. So rupee amount, what will be the rupee amount? This is JPY amount, right? So if this is JPY, see here, 1 rupee equals to this much JPY. I'll write it like this now. 1 rupee equals to 0.53 JPY. Now what is the amount required? 100 million, 100 10,000 million. Okay, so 10,000 million, it is like this: 10,000 and million means 6 zeros. Okay, JPY. So this much will be what rupees? So cross multiply this into 1 upon 0.53. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this and million. So into 10 raised to 6. Okay, upon 0.53. Now this will be huge figure. Okay, huge figure means, let me calculate it. Okay, so 0.53 will take 0.53 only over here. Okay, because 0.8 is very far off, it will hardly make any difference. So or we'll take 0.5308. Okay, let's take it whatever rate we have got, 0.8. Okay, so now 10,000 1 and 2 3 4 divided by 0.5308. So it is 18,839. So 18,839 point something into 10 raised to 6. This much will be the rupee amount, means such a huge. So it will be 18,839 million rupees. Okay, this much amount will be, it's an import transaction, so it will be debited to the customer. Okay, got it everyone? Very important case study. Kindly remember it and do it again, practice it again. Type yes if you have understood this. Fast. Yes, because this concept means JPY to INR is very important, because JPY is a lesser currency than us. Okay, inferior. Okay, now before going, let me tell you this about this 80% off. 80% off is going on all the schemes. Okay, now I'll show you how to get about it. See this, go to Adda 24/7 live. Let's go. Okay, let me go to Adda. I'll show you directly live over here only, man. One sec. One sec. Yeah, over here. Now we are on. Now we'll be on Adda 24/7. One second. See this. Now we are on Adda 24/7 live. Go on this. Click on JAIIB CAIIB. See this. Click on this JAIIB CAIIB. You'll see the batches over here. Click on this CAIIB November December English batch. See this. Now you will be seeing this practice batch. This is very important. 150 case study batch starting from 21st November. Go for it immediately. Okay, you'll see the details. Read the details at your ease. Okay, 150 plus cases. Then recorded videos are available. Right. Exam questions can be asked till the last date. So mocks and ebooks available. Practice is available. Okay, you can read at ease. I'll come to the cost part of this. 6,999. Okay, click on view offers. Don't pay this such a huge price. Okay, 4,432. Now look at this. Now how much is the fees? 6,999 reduces to 1,399. 1,399, 80% off. Go for it immediately, isn't it? Go so that you can definitely have it. Means 1,399 means what? In 2 months you will recover everything once you clear CAIIB, isn't it? So go for it immediately. I'll tell you. Why am I telling you this? Because December 2022 May 2023 exam, which is coming. Okay, that portion will be what? See the portion. Now we are having 2 compulsory papers, ABM, BFM. Then you will be having 4 ABM, BFM, ABFM and BRBL. Okay, pause this video, read all the topics over here. Also electives, rural, HR, IT, central banking interest. There is no retail elective. Also there is a negative marking. So why do you go for the tougher part when you can definitely solve anything with the simpler ones? Okay, go for it. Tomorrow I'll be back with another series. Till then, bye.